So when you finish your screencastify screencast, this window automatically opens up on the screencastify website. It's video details. So there's a lot of things you can do since we set it up initially to sync with Google Drive. You can just get a shareable link from Google Drive. Personally, you can also just share to Classroom. I like to publish to YouTube and then provide the links that way. It's a way for me to keep my videos organized. So I'm going to click on Publish to YouTube, and it goes to my account that I'm already logged in. I click as unlisted because then only people who have the link can visit it. Private is what it's set to by default, and only you can view the video. So I click on unlisted so people who have the link can view the video. And then I make a description, making a screencast with screencastify and upload. And that's it. Then I upload my video. When it's done uploading, which can take a couple minutes, I just copy the link, which is one of the options, and I keep it in a Google Doc in the lesson folder. That's how I organize my stuff. But you can also, you don't have to copy the link right now because you can just navigate to YouTube. So here it is. That's what I do. I press copy link, and then I put it in a Google Doc where I can access it later. But you can also just view it on YouTube. It will also automatically be saved to your drive in a folder called Screencastify, so you can always find it there as well. So good luck making and uploading your videos, and if you have any questions, let me know.